always available.
Hey my lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video. In this video, we are gonna be doing a PR unboxing, so please stay tuned. And here is my PR package. Okay, my PR package is from Himalaya. So let's see what they got for us. Ooh, I love this bag. It's so amazing. Ooh, what? We've got this. Well, this is for your little one, by the way. If you have a kid. This is so amazing. Like, I'm assuming this, well, not assuming, because I mean, of course, I'm a first time mom, so pardon me. But this is for when you're changing your baby's diaper and so on. Let's see what they have for us here. Ooh. Okay, I quickly. Ooh, this seems amazing. I'm loving this, but I'm seeing what they have for us here. I'm gonna quickly also unbox the bag. Oh, wow! But so far, I'm loving this bag. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Himalaya. Okay, and my first one that I opened so far, we have this moisturizing baby soap. Yeah, we have this moisturizing baby soap, and then next, ooh, I don't cut myself because I want to cut myself with this knife. Let's quickly. So in this one they have Actually, sorry about that. My phone had died, so I had to quickly charge. Anyway, since I quickly unboxed off camera, so this is what I got from the Himalaya PR package gift. So I got the moisturizing baby soap, the Bonissan liquid serum, which improves digestion, colic relief, easy stomach gas for your little one, and helps feed well.
A few more.
What's this? Baby powder. And some baby cream for your little one. And the Bonissan drops. So this is what we have for your little one. And I guess that is about it for the unboxing. So please, wait, let me put this down. So please don't forget to hit that notification button, comment, subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.